The functional requirement for this project were user need to be able to authenticate in order to create a quiz, and user can create as many quiz as they want. Every user has on access to their own list of quizzes. Quiz consists of title and list of questions, and every question contain a list of possible answer, and so on, like this. There was one every quiz can be published, and once published you get a permalink, so like this. And user author can published key can be can't be edited anymore, and what can be only can be deleted, and so on. So in this project, this is our quiz builder. uh, for of course, for the for creating the quiz, the users should be authenticated. So first we have to create a user. I have already created a user here, so I will directly get into it. So if I log in here, it directly get me to the quiz builder app. I have already made 3 or 4 questions here. I will show one more question here, uh, what comes after December. What comes after December activity? What comes after December? December. So the title is, of course, is a general knowledge GK, and answer is Jan, Feb, Oct, and CPT set. The answer of the question is, of course, is Jan, so I have to write the answer here. This is not an MCQ, multiple choice answer, it's a single choice answer. So I will edit here, so you can see that it is showing the question here. I can edit it also here. Like if I want to edit it, like I have to write I want to write October in capital letter, so just have to click on update here. It will update it here. And if I want to delete, we directly click on here in this button. In any of the delete button, it will directly delete that key. I can show you one, like if I click in here, it will delete one of this, and it will also delete it from the database. I have one created and one deleted, that's why it's showing the same. Okay, to publish it, just have to click on publish button. Now it will generate a code, 6-digit alphanumerical code, and this code is added to our database in our quiz section. Sorry, here in this section, quiz section. So the authenticated users question will be having a code key, which value is updated by on the click on publish. So this question, the question I have just created, you can see that this code is updated here, like YT. And if I click on multiple time, it will always change the value in the database also. Like you can see here, now the code value is different. So uh, so the authenticated users questions will have this code. So if I copy this code and want to play as a guest, just have to paste this code here, and just click on play. It will be allowing me to playing this game. Like it's showing that what is the source of protein, it's meat here. What comes after Feb, what months are there in what comes after December. So I am writing wrong answer here, because I don't want to be right here, so that my answer is little bit different than the maximum value. So if I click on generate score, it will be showing me 3. So in this way our quiz work. We don't need to even we don't if we don't log in this game will work. Like if I just log out here and play quiz, and it just paste the same code again and play, it will be showing. And it for instance, I am writing the right answer only here. Generate score, it is showing it me the my answer. uh, of uh, uh, okay. Once log out, we can't get back to home, because this is only for the authenticated user. Only authenticated user can access the home page. Like if I click on submit button, then only I will be able to access the home page. So it is also a secure website. Again, it is also user friend, uh, every system friendly, because we can see here for 12 Pro, this is working like this. We can use it on mobile also. iPad mini, it will be showing like this. And for the nearest next hub, whatever this is, like you can play also in this mobile version. Like if I click on play, and if I'm 12 Pro, then it will be showing me it will be showing me the quiz like this. Okay. Coming to the code part, in this code, I have created a backend where I have created where I have created the APIs to authenticate the user, to fetch the user, to get the user, like the routes for the authentication. You can see that. For creating a user, I have created a post request. Of course, our code is also JWT friendly, and I've also added salt and pepper, to secure, to add more one more security layer to the users information. Like you can see that in the user password, like uh, this is encrypted by JWT, and of course it's there was a salt pepper added to it. mm, this you can see here. For creating a user, there is an API, there is a login, there is a get user. And again, for the quiz section, there is a delete quiz, update quiz, update that was update code. Then this was update quiz. Update code is for the publish. Whenever I click on publish, it gets updated to the database. The code now being updated to the database. And for adding the quiz, these are the API. And for playing the game, this is our API. Since I have not used fetch user middleware, user middleware is being used to authenticate user in every page. But in this case, for playing game, we don't want our user to be authenticated. Everyone can play the game. So just we need to put the code in that message, which I have used in the front end. I've used context API here to create the context, where I have created different functions where we have fetched our data from the API, and does the simple work like filtering something, or fetching something, putting it in use state to get the information, and so on. And in this way our code work. Thank you.